Hey? Hey?
Push.
Don't go in front of. Oh, sorry.
That's alright. Yeah. See you later, lads.
Bye.
Well then. Jodie will be hanging around over here somewhere, no doubt.
Look at this, Dad, look at this. Oh my God, my hand.
What's up?
Blisters.
Where? Oh, you've been on them too long.
Yeah.
Tell them where we are.
We're at Manly?
The Whale Park.
We're at the park next to the whale park
In where?
in Manly. I'm gonna try and skip two, but I've been practicing, but I haven't got long enough arms yet.
Go on then.
See, I've got long enough arms. He's just happy talking.
See you, Jode.
My arms are aching. Oh, I need a massage. Thanks.
Marianne, say see ya.
Sorry?
Say bye.
Oh, to who?
Whoever.
Have you shown them our outlook? That is Manly.
This is Manly Beach. Yeah, we can't go in the water.
How often do we
Why
come
can't we
down
go?
here?
Why can't we go in the water?
Well, it's polluted.
Yeah. Well, yeah. And why? Why else? Jode.
Because of the sharks. We come down here every weekend, and we sit on the end of a pier.
And do what?
Eat ice cream. And Mummy and Daddy eat coffees. Drink coffees.
What's your message?
My message.
Yeah.
I haven't got one.
Oh.
I drank my coffee as usual.
They're all over there having a big